Hello and welcome. If you've been felting along to my cartoon mini series, then you might have already completed my little front pose and my side pose. And today we're going to be doing this little sitting elephant. So if you'd like to felt along, let's head over to the other camera and complete our cartoon mini elephant series. Let's get started. Okay, so we've done our first two elephants and now we're on to our third one. So we need our needle again, our wool felts, our mat that we're felting onto, and then our colours. So I've just got some dark grey, some light grey, and then some dark brown, I think it is, just for the eyes, but any dark colour that you want. So our third pose, we're going to have a little sitting elephant, and we're going to place that one here. So I am just going to make a little body shape first of all. So just tear off some of your wool and place it where you want. Now, because I want this one's trunk to come up a little bit, I'm going to leave a little gap so it's got room to come up. And I want the back kind of sloping a little bit and its bum kind of coming around here. So you just roughly shape the wool with your fingers, and then we can just stab, being careful not to stab your fingers. And then we're just going to bring the wool round to where we want it and just stab into a kind of rough, almost, I suppose, pear shape. Just imagine this is our side view of our elephant sitting down. Next, we're going to put the head on top. So I'm just going to take a little section and sort of mould that into a circle. Just add a bit more. I want it to be roughly the same height as the others, so I'm just going to bring it to cover the body a little bit. And then we're going to stab that one just into a little circle shape. And then we're going to add an ear. So we're going to take a bit more wool and shape this into kind of a semicircle. Just give it a little roll and a twist. And then I'm just going to place that at the side. Like so. Also going to put another ear, but I'm not going to see as much of this one, so I'm just going to do a little sliver like that, and then just place that at the side. Like that. And then I'm going to take some more wool and I'm going to do my trunk. So I'm just going to take a little bit more. And we're just going to twist in our fingers. So holding either side, give it a twist. And then we can make this where we want it. So I want this to come up. So I'm just going to kind of roughly imagine where I want this to go. Now, because I'm doing this side on and I've got both of my ears visible, I'm kind of going to have it just at the side. So imagine if we could see kind of the elephant looking down this way. And then I'm going to just stab to anchor that into place and then just position it where I want it. I've got a little bit of coloured wool in there, so I'm just going to pull that off. And then if you pull too much off ever, you can always just put some more on, or you can pull the whole thing off and just twist again. It's so versatile. So then we're just going to stab again. And just bring it up to where we want it. And you can even have it kind of tucking over like that. If you want it to sort of have a twist in it, just shape it however you want it to go. Like that. And then I'm going to add the inside of my ear. So I'll just roll a bit of light grey just place that inside. And I might just put a tiny bit in the other one because I'm not sure how much would be visible, so just kind of do that. And then I'm going to just add a little bit of extra to the legs. So I'm just going to get my light wool and just roll my little feet. I'm going to just take a section, roll it in my fingers. And for this first one, we're going to kind of have the back leg coming round and then the foot. So I'm just going to have this is the bottom of the foot now, so it'll be a bit bigger. Shaped up like that. And then same on the other side, so I'm just going to roll another bit just to place right at the edge of it. And then I'm going to do some smaller ones just at the front. And then I'm going to just go up the middle with my needle and up the side there. Just to kind of make some leg shapes in my wool. So however you want that to be, I might just push that over a little bit. Just my little sitting elephant. And then we can add our eyes on. So we just want to take a little bit of our dark wool, and I'm going to do 2 of these. So let's roll both roughly together, and then place those on my elephant. You can see what a difference a long one like that would make, so you can shape it however you want it. Kind of looks like a surprised elephant. And then I'm going to place it just about there and make these into little ovals like the others. And then place this one here. So just imagine the trunk is in the middle. Like so. And just, if they're a bit big, you can just keep stabbing, and you can even cover over with some of this surrounding wool just to make them a little bit smaller if you want to. Look a bit. Like that. And there we have our little elephant. And if you did want to outline anything again, you can. So I might just put a tiny bit dark underneath this trunk here. Just so that we can see it. So if ever you want something to stand out a bit more, you can just do that. And you can do it with the legs as well if you wanted to. Like that. But I think I'm going to leave that off because I think I just like it as it is without it. But feel free to play around until you've got your desired result. And there we have our 3 little elephants in little poses. So I hope you've enjoyed felting elephants with me today, and I can't wait to see yours. So please tag me If you are not already in my Facebook group, then feel free to join. It would be lovely to see you in there and show me a picture of your little cartoon elephants. Thanks so much for joining me for this cartoon elephant mini series. I would love to see yours, so please head over to my Facebook group and show me your pictures. I would love to see them. And if you would like to felt something more realistic, then I also have this tutorial available to buy on my website, which includes a template so that you can felt along and create your own elephant like this one. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. If you've got any suggestions of things that you would like to see on this channel, please tell me in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy felting, bye for now.